1 elephant, 2 elephants, 3 elephants, 4 elephants, 5 elephants, 6 elephants, 7 elephants, 8 elephants. Whoa!
Why are you counting elephants, Bob?
No, I'm counting how many seconds there are between the lightning flashing and the thunder rolling. It takes 1 second to say elephant. There were 8 seconds, which means the storm's only 8 miles away.
Oh, I understand.
Well, the barn's ready, but where is Farmer Pickles and the harvest?
Probably stuck behind the elephants.
No, Scoop. Faster! Whoa. 1 elephant, 2 elephants, 3 elephants, 4 elephants. Whoa!
Wow, the elephants are getting closer.